In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a date in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing a schedule, tracking project timelines, or simply keeping tabs on daily tasks, knowing how to efficiently input dates can save you time and make your data much easier to manage. Let's dive into the steps and make sure you have this handy skill at your fingertips. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you're not already logged in, use your credentials to access your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your recent spreadsheets or the option to create a new one. Feel free to open an existing file or start a fresh sheet as we go through these instructions. Once you're inside your preferred spreadsheet, direct your attention to the menus across the top of the screen. Click on Data in this top menu bar. Doing so will present a drop-down list of various data management options you can utilize within your sheet. Don't rush through this part, as there are several useful features here that might pique your interest beyond today's task. Now, from the drop-down that appears under Data, you need to find and click on Data Validation. This feature is incredibly handy as it allows you to control what type of data can be entered into a cell. We'll use it today to set up your cells to specifically handle date entries. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen, prompting you to define validation criteria. Here, look for the option to add a new rule. You'll find it labeled as +Add Rule, a button which will let you initiate a new set of criteria. Click on this to add a rule. This enables you to specify the exact type of data entry you'd like to permit. In our case, dates. By doing this, you're instructing Google Sheets to recognize and accept only date formats as valid input. It's quite straightforward from here. Once you've added a rule, you'll specify the criteria by setting the criteria field to date. Doing so tells Google Sheets that any data entered in the applicable cells should conform to date formats. It's important here to ensure the selected cell range is correct for where you want this rule to apply. Double check this to avoid any input errors or unexpected results in other parts of your sheet. There you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage dates in your Google Sheets. Remember, using these steps not only helps with entering dates, but also keeps your data clean and consistent. Try this method whenever you're planning something time-sensitive, tracking project deadlines, or managing personal agendas. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and make sure to check back for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Happy spreadsheeting!